What's going on, y'all? About to send this link out. We're going to go ahead and get started. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Those just joining the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. Dropped the Sunday chart analysis last night for y'all. Make sure to check that out. Again, it's the first week of the month, a new month. So we have a bunch of big reports coming out. As far as today, though, we have at 9:45 USD news. And at 10 a.m. USD news, we got ISM and the final manufacturing PMI popping off. So be on the lookout for that and keep those times in mind. As of right now, we're going to look for possible gold sales. The gold could hold 2316 as resistance. We're looking for sales going down to 2300, possible 2378. And then we're also going to be looking at possible GN sales. And we got a couple other charts we're looking at. We're just waiting to see what side of the coin is going to land on. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. You look at the charts, drop them in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Posted a recap of last week in the free Telegram yesterday. We'll be calculating and putting the recap of last month so we can change that up because it is a new month. So be on the lookout for that later on today. Let's see what we got up in here. What's going on, Shawn? How you doing, my boy? Shout out to my boy Shawn. Passed another prop firm account last week. What did you say about US30 so far? I went over US30 to send a chart analysis. If you want me to look at it right now, we can. I haven't said nothing about it as of this live stream. I went over US30 as well as NAS and gold and other currency pairs in the Sunday chart analysis. If you have not hit the first link in the description, watch the Sunday chart analysis. Make sure to check that out. It goes over what I see price doing not just today, but throughout the entire week. A lot of charts last week when that's projected as well. So US30, again, hit this level of traffic, failed to hold, break through to hold this low as resistance, reverse back up. So as of right now, waiting for price to do one of two things. It's going to break above and hold 38,960 as support, 38,950, 39,115, and possibly as high as 39,320. Or if you can break and hold 38,500 resistance, we're looking for sales going down to 38,210, or possibly 37,990. So I'm just waiting to see again what side of the coin price is going to be for that one. So I just got our alerts in place, and I'm just letting price do it for a minute. Dropped 3 new videos for y'all last week. Make sure to check those out. Just drop one in the chat. The playlists are up to date. I got a few more videos lined up for this week as well. But make sure to catch up to the content last month. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. No problem, G. What's going on, JD? I see you up in here. How you doing, man? Those just joined the stream. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Actually, no, new month just started, so I'm going to be updating and posting how we did last month in May later on today. So be on the lookout for that. But you see how we did April and last quarter. If you hit that first link, you can see how we did last week. Last week we were 4-0, catching 31,832 pips. The week before that, we're 4-0 again. So again, you can see the recap of the week at the beginning and end of every week. We do the recap of the day at the end of every day. In the beginning of every week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis. It doesn't just go over what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what I see price doing throughout the entire week. Make sure to check out last week's Sunday chart analysis as well, just if y'all curious to see what price was looking at the beginning of the week and compared to how it ended the week on Friday. If you go to May 1st, you'll see how we did April. April, we went 15-4, giving us a 79% win rate. We caught 47,957 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of April. Again, all wins and losses are posted. You can see screenshots of signals, screenshots of positions, as well as you'll be able to see results and testimonials. You go to photos. There's over 1,000 photos of just receipts and receipts and receipts, from giving receipts to screenshots of the signals, to screenshots of the trades from the signals taken, all types of stuff. So make sure to check all that stuff out. Shout out to my boy Ty also, look, because he gave me an update. He's still doing this thing as well. Yeah, so we're just watching the charts right now. Let them do their thing, let them retrace. Again, we're still at these levels of traffic. We didn't break through most of them last week. So we're going to see what takes place this week. Again, we have a lot of high impact news events popping off this week. Wednesday, we got the infamous. Let's go to Wednesday. We got Wednesday, we got the infamous ADP that we do every first Wednesday of the month. And of course, Friday, we got the infamous unemployment claims, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. So be on the lookout for those. If y'all don't understand how news works, make sure to check out my How to Trade News playlist. Probably gonna be adding some a new trade news video this week. So I'm probably gonna one of the videos gonna be another updated news video. So be on the lookout for that. Oh, that's the way you do it. Still study charts daily. Because again, just like members, make sure to watch last week's lives, because we went over a lot of stuff in those lives as well. And my last week's lives, I'm talking about the members only lives during New York news events. Make sure to check those out. We broke down a lot of important stuff in there as well. But if you watch those recordings, you'll see. Actually, I still got to post Fridays on. All right, let me set an alarm, which I can do that today. But make sure to check out. I think we went live Wednesday and Thursday. Let me set an alarm. I can post Fridays live. I totally fucking do that shit. But yeah, the more time you're on the charts, the more time you're paying it, and the more things you pay attention to and catch on to, a lot easier it's going to be to understand what price is doing every day, as well as understand where price is potentially going every day. Because again, a lot of the struggles when it comes to trading comes based off the charts. We make money based on what the charts do. We enter trades based on what the charts and candlesticks are looking like. So we got to understand how price works. And again, it's not just random movements. It's not just random candlesticks. There's little rules and script price follows every single day. every single week. Got about a minute and a half to the next 5 and 15 pops up. What's going on, Tracy? How you doing, man? You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at your charts up in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. Again, it's Monday. On top of it being a new month, Mondays and Tuesdays are typically the slower days of the week. Things are still slowly opening up. There are still a couple of potential setups we can see this morning. Just waiting for our confirmations. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screens. Instagram is playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmaker_way_. Got some videos lined up for y'all this week on there as well as YouTube. you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. Want to look at any charts, drop in the chat. New 5-minute just popped up. And we're waiting for price to hold these levels as resistance for the ones we're looking for sells on, and vice versa for the ones we're looking for buys on. We're waiting for the levels to hold them as support. And you can see since we've been live, this is when London session started. This was the second 15-minute candlestick. This is 35 minutes in. Price has just been stuck in the same place. So nothing we can do right now. We gotta patiently wait. Shout out to everybody in the live. 5 minute just popped up. And again, as far as news today at 9:45 and 10 o'clock, we got USD news popping off. So do keep those in times in mind. So if things don't pick up around before then, we might see some actions or volume kick in after that. Again, it is Monday, so things are still waking up and still opening up. And we also got a lot of consolidation we're in the middle of. Like we got a lot of reversals, consolidation. We've been seeing a lot of these charts. Got a minute and some change until the next 15 or 5 minute pops up. I mean, not the next 15 minutes, 5 minute pops up. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're looking at your charts. Drop in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. I'm looking at GN on Lambda, and my numbers aren't in line with yours. What could be the problem on the 15th? What exactly are you talking about? Are you talking about your levels, or are you talking about the actual price? Like, are you saying your price doesn't say 729 right now, or are you talking about my levels? What are you talking about exactly? Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe. We don't just post weekly content and live stream every day, but we post weekly content from trade breakdowns, trading tip videos, trading plan videos, trading psychology videos. I got 3 different playlists. I got a playlist on top of trade breakdowns, where there's over 50 videos of back-to-back trade breakdowns, start from finish. All trade breakdowns are trades I personally enter, as well as signals called for the members. I got the day trading tips playlist, where I go over how to read the charts, trade plans, trading psychology, all that good stuff, risk reward, all that good stuff. And then we got the how to trade news playlist, which goes over how to trade high impact news days, the rules I follow on a weekly basis, as well as there's videos breaking down actual trades taken on news days. So make sure to check that out. And then of course I got the crypto playlist, where I give weekly Bitcoin projections and weekly Bitcoin updates. Got the new Bitcoin update video dropping later on this week as well, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, again, as you can see, price is just rejecting these levels. Nothing we can really do about that. We're just gonna let price do its thing. And Tracy, make sure if you leave a comment to fast forward to present time, because I think sometimes I could be wrong, but I think sometimes you might be paused or a little bit delayed from the live. So when you leave a comment, you don't really hear my answer until 5 minutes later or so. I want to make sure I answer everybody's question. So if you leave a question or type in the chat, make sure you're on the current, like you're not like 2 minutes behind, 5 minutes behind. Make sure you're up to date on the actual live, so that way you can hear in real time my answer and all that stuff. But we see some volume started kicking with the New Zealand charts. We might see some New Zealand stars. I'm not really too concerned with GJ, so I'm gonna switch to EN. See what EN's looking like. Yeah, I like how this is as well. So we might see some action this next hour. Price 7068. 7068. What you talking about? 7068. If that's where you have at your entry, I'm not. You're gonna have to send me a screenshot on Telegram. Send me a screenshot of your chart on Telegram, so I know what you're talking about. Because from what I'm reading, we got the same level. So if that's not the case, give me a screenshot of your chart on Telegram, so I can see what you're talking about. Those just joined the stream, we are not in anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Drop a free signal for your Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month. Well, not last month. How we did April last quarter. And we updated how we did the last month later on today. So be on the lookout for that. But you see, go to April 4th. You'll see how we did quarter one. January we went 20 and 0, catching 37,620 pips. February went 17 and 1, caught 25,400 pips. In March we went 16 and 3, caught 49,783 pips. Ending quarter one 53 and 4, giving us a 93% win rate. Got a total of 111,806 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year, where you can also see how we ended last year, quarter four, 240,157 pips caught, 76 and 7 gives a 96% win rate. And then if you scroll to May 1st, you'll see how we did April. We went 15 and 4. Giving us a 79% win rate, caught 47,957 pips. As far as how we did last week we were 4-0, catching 31,832 pips. The week before that, we were 4-0 again. We got Ian breaking this level, so if Ian can hold 76.60 as resistance, we can look for sell to go down to 76.20, and it possibly as low as 75, 70, 75, 75. We also see possible GM sales. We might jump into something in a little bit. About to see how this next 5 and 15 looks. If we can hold this level or not. Got to learn some of these other charts. See prices kind of just thinking that. Which one let price do its thing? Oh, that's the wrong chart. I'm tripping. There we go. Yeah, Trace, just send me a screenshot of what you're talking about on Telegram so I can help you out. Because I don't know if I'm misunderstanding what you're saying. Or just send me a screenshot of your chart if you got questions. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since y'all joined. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,400 subscribers. We can get that this month easily. If you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing. Ain't nobody doing like how we're doing it over here. Appreciate all the likes as well. If you have a like, so make sure I like. That helps the channel out. Ian broke this level. So last week on Monday, no, this was Tuesday, we went for this sell. Let's see if it's going to do the full move we was looking for last week. Let's see if we can do that for us today. Oh, yeah, this is good. The middle is on right there. All right. Static here. So. Yeah, everything else I'm just letting this thing right now. All right, y'all. If y'all joined the stream late, make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free server for Telegram and check out the Sunday chart analysis. All right, it's just 5 minutes long. It goes over indices, gold, forex pairs, all that good stuff, and it goes over what I see price doing the entire week, just not today. So make sure to check that out. Members, you already know in a few hours about the New York price watch list for y'all. Got a few videos I'm going to be working on today. So there's going to be a video dropping Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, if not Friday. And then members, we're going to be going live during the New York news Wednesday and Friday as well, so look out for that. Yeah, we're going to be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 a.m. EST.